Hi, I'm Jacquelyn. This guided meditation is part of my free 21-day Mind Over Matter meditation journey designed to help you build self-esteem and get more out of life. To sign up for free and receive the entire program of 21 videos, go to actionjacquelyn.com/meditate. Ready? Subscribe to my channel and let's begin. Beginning to get comfortable now, allowing eyes to close, getting ready for allowing a few deep breaths, just settling in for more comfort and becoming calm. Taking a deep breath in and holding it for just a moment or two, and slowly exhale, and the normal natural rhythm of breathing continues now. Once again, take a second deep breath, hold it a moment or two, then slowly exhale, and the normal natural rhythm of breathing occurs. And then, when ready, take a third big deep breath in, hold it for a moment or two, then slowly exhale, and the normal natural rhythm of breathing, calm and comfortable, all around and all through. Just drifting now, allowing the mind to drift as I continue speaking to you. For now is the time for allowing the sense of just letting go, that it is all okay to let go now, for this is the letting go time. There is a time and a place and a space now for letting go, calm and comfortable all through. In another few moments, I'm going to count backwards from 5 to 0. With each count, there's a sense of going deeper and deeper, just drifting, the mind, body comfortable and calm and at ease. Just drifting, just floating, like a cloud drifting and floating above in the sky, yet completely secure in itself, moving ever so slightly with the air currents, so gently and calm and at ease, so that at 5, becoming even more comfortable, so aligned and smooth, just drifting deeper and deeper now, like a sailboat drifting out onto the calm seas, smoothly sailing along, the sea as calm and as quiet as can be, like sailing out on a smooth as glass sea. And now at 4, continuing to become even more comfortable and calm, drifting deeper and deeper, mind clear and calm, letting go. Like being in the drifting of a daydream, where being here and being there become all slowed down into one place, and then yet still noticing here and there and drifting. So now at 3, wondering if it is at all possible to feel even more comfortable than already seems to be, like someone all secure with the covers all around, ready perhaps for the night, and yet just staying kind of dreamy. And at 2, now releasing even more now, and getting ready for the deepest sleep, so familiar and easy to allow. Now at 1, just a few more letting go thoughts to release, like a beautiful bouquet of helium balloons drifting up and away. And now at 0, deep relaxation for just the right positive suggestion. Concentrating on the sound of my voice now, yet also concentrating on owning a new positive direction, creating it, and actually putting in the foundation, which is bringing about positive accomplishments of whatever is desired, and drifting deeper now, and even deeper, as the mind completely opens up now to positive thoughts and positive ideas, positive attitudes, allowing the subconscious mind time to absorb, to assimilate, and to integrate each positive thought. Creating strong, positive attitudes, setting the intention with the inner mind, establishing the positive direction. All that is needed is comfort and just slowing down inside, all around and all through, comfortable. Negative events of the past can no longer have an effect. These events are as they are. They are the past, over, done, and gone. Best way to think about the past. Over, done, and gone. Over, done, and gone. Moving into the future with the attitude of self-assurance, liking yourself better and better each day, a good attitude about life, positive changes, and expecting the best. Positive changes in the future, liking yourself, always liking yourself, more and more each day, allowing the positives, the attitude, the self-assurance, liking yourself. Liking yourself becomes more important now than ever before. Drifting down, the suggestions absorb in the deeper mind. They become a permanent part of your being, liking yourself, always liking yourself, more and more each day. Liking yourself becomes an important part, now more than ever before, and along with liking yourself is self-assurance, an attitude of self-assurance. It's important. And realizing that it is a law of the mind that two conflicting thoughts cannot coexist simultaneously. Being in charge of the mind, of those thoughts, giving yourself permission right here, right now, choosing positive thoughts. By choosing positive thoughts, now more in charge and in control, eliminating reaction, and choosing instead empowerment. And that allows willpower to become stronger because of the positive direction, heading in the positive direction, which is getting more defined now. Drifting down deeper and taking these suggestions deeper within. The attitudes positive, self-assured. The positive always overcome the negative. And a positive life with a positive attitude, with a positive direction, are more important now than ever before, becoming more important to yourself than ever before, becoming more secure than ever before, with good attitudes and liking yourself each day, and every day removes negatives. Negatives just filter out and are replaced with positives. Just breathing and comforting even more, knowing that all negatives, all negative concepts, all negative beliefs are being neutralized by the mind, dissolved and dissipated, eliminated, eradicated by the positive mind now, and permanently replaced by this strong positive direction. Now drifting down, going deeper, only taking positive thoughts and ideas deeper down. The filter that separates the minds is open, allowing only positive thoughts and attitudes to enter. Self-assurance, liking yourself, good attitude, always finding the positives, dealing with the negatives and removing them. Positives are drifting down as you continue to let go, and instead let the suggestions take hold. Let the suggestions in, always blocking yourself to negatives. And when you're coming out, there is a strengthening of the filter that blocks the negatives. Each and every day, less and less affected by the negatives because of being able to control the negatives, removing them by facing them, and replacing them with positives, replacing them by liking yourself with a new sense of self-assurance, finding your positive attributes, enjoying them, enjoying yourself with a new attitude, with a new sense of assurance, security, always positive, more often, more of the time, imagining it in the positive direction now. Liking yourself more and more each day, becoming positive about the future, positive about the direction because it's now something within control. And liking yourself allows for taking it only in a positive direction, becoming more important to yourself now more than ever before, and always finding more ways to feel more positive and more self-assured. And now, in a moment, I'm going to count you out from 0 to 5. And at 5, being wide awake, feeling good about yourself. Always remember each day and every day, yes, it's a new day of your new life, a new you, a new positive direction. And now at 0 to reinforce it all. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wide awake and alert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake and alert. Each and every time you come back to this meditation, you're going to notice a greater sense of peace and well-being and more motivation to take care of yourself. And if you haven't found a movement practice yet, you can join us in the Stretchy Fit app, where I've created an entire Pilates sculpt program just for you to do alongside your meditations. Info for that is in the description box below. Now go and have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you back here again tomorrow.